And you guys have a deep fryer?
Where?
You guys have a bread maker?
We don't have a deep fryer.
What is it?
What?
What?
What are you looking at that you think is a deep fryer?
Right there, next to the ketchup.
This? This isn't a deep fryer. No, it's a toaster oven or something. I don't know.
No, I know that's a toaster oven. I'm talking about the one in the corner.
Oh, that's an ice machine. Okay, look.
You have an ice machine?
I want to know what happens when you put matches in the microwave. That's a microwave. This is matches. That's a dumbass. Okay, now that we have the 3 ingredients for a good YouTube video. Let me see. Okay. I'll put them right here so that you can... Actually, no, I'll put them right there. How long should I put it in there for?
Maybe 30 seconds.
Alright. Okay. Nothing's happening. Oh man. Okay, that's lame.
Oh snap, Clovis Sierra track meet. First place. Is that you?
No, it's my little brother.
Brother runs track?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
You think anything's gonna happen?
No, probably not.
Even if for 3 minutes? Like, I'm gonna sit here for 3 minutes and watch this shit. It's all like I edit this and it's 3 minutes later. Nothing's happening, Vato. Oh my god. It's an ogre in the microwave.
Is that your cousin? Just know if you put an egg in the microwave, it blows up everywhere.
But what if the door's shut?
It blows the door open. It spreads.
Really?
It expands.
We should try it.
You're right, because your mom's a Muslim. That makes sense.
What if she sees this video?
Oh! What happens if you microwave a lit match?
What if, a lit match? What's that mean?
Light it, put it in the microwave.
Nothing.
You don't think so? You don't think that if you put it in a jar, it makes cool noises, and it does a whole bunch of different lights? Because I'm thinking that's what it does.
I'm thinking you're wrong.
You want to bet?
What would I bet you?
I don't know.
This harmonica?
What would I bet you? Some type of harmonica.
Your brother.
Deal. You haven't.
Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho.
I hope you like it.
What?
Got you
Avocado? Avocado. Ring a ling ring a ring a ring. Anthony, it's for you.
Hello. Whatever.
Whatever. Whatever. That's cool. I wonder if they're gonna be hot. No, they're not hot. That was a fucking waste of time.
Trust me. Light it, put it in a glass.
Why don't I light it and put it in your ass? No, I wouldn't do that. I just said it because it rhymed.
Rude.
I wonder how many woodchucks could chuck wood if a woodchuck chucked my wood. If I'm like videotaping this door and then like a giant monster busts through it and eats you.
Why me though?
Because I'm white. Monsters don't eat white people. Oh, you broke it. It's oh my god, it's black magic. What is it doing? It's casting a spell. I think it's casting a spell. Oh, it's what you do to me. Do it. I can't see, it's poor lighting, and you're wearing your camouflage.
It's blue? Hold on. Wow.
You suck.
It's alright when I want to walk.
Would you be mad if I put these matches in your guitar hole? You chew them out?
I'd shake them out, but if you like lit them and put them in there, it would be.
I'll put one in there for good luck, and then I'll put one in mine too. That's our good luck.
We're all playing some song or something.
And it goes super fast, and like one of the matches jumps out and gets lit on fire.
And then the guitars catch on fire, and then everyone's, oh wow, this is cool.
They're really good. Just in case you need this for later. There we go. There's a match in your hair.
But you never know.
You never know when a black man might need a match. Oh shit! Fuck you.
Totally got
That's
you.
it. I'm done. Have any last words?
Pew 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 pew.
My name's Ronnie. I'm a good job.
Hey, that is right.